Introducing the SU-6800M BLE asset tracking device from Simply Unified. A low-cost, battery-powered asset tracking device, measuring just 108 by 86 by 30 mm. The SU-6800 features GPS, GLONASS, Galileo positioning systems are used simultaneously for enhanced accuracy and faster fixes. Read and report on a wide range of Bluetooth-enabled tags, including temperature and humidity, fuel levels, impact sensors, and more. Powered by user-replaceable 33AA lithium batteries for 10+ years of battery life with battery load and battery critical alerts. Ultra-rugged and waterproof with IP68 and IK07 rated housing ensures the SU-6800M can withstand impact, fine dust, and brief submersion. Adaptive tracking technology detects when the device is on the move and increases the update rate, providing detail when you need it while conserving battery when stationary. Switch to optional recovery mode in the case of theft or loss to activate real-time tracking for asset retrieval. Capture run hours based on movement, to understand and optimize asset utilization. Create custom geofences and alerts if an asset enters or leaves specific locations. We can configure custom device parameters, such as heartbeat rate, movement, and accelerometer settings, and more, to meet your specific requirements. Compact and concealable. Multiple installation options for covertly and easily securing the device to assets with screws, bolts, cable ties, rivets, and more. Military-level AES-256 encryption ensures the protection, integrity, and confidentiality of your data. Our easy-to-use software provides you with the ability to access your fleet data from any internet browser, anywhere in the world. View assets in real time, review trip history, share data, and access a wide range of business-grade reports. Access your fleet on the go, including real-time tracking and trip history using our advanced app. Our app is available on Android or iPhone. To find out more about the SU-6800M BLE, call us on 1300 599 540 or visit simply-unified.com.au/6800M BLE.